What's going on, guys? On today's episode of Notta Garage, we are going to be installing a Calsonic Livery on, not on that, on a 370Z Nismo. So right now we have our printed component laid out, ready to go. Mike's finishing up weeding the stickers so we can transfer tape them, and then we're gonna get to it. So stick with us, hang out, and see how it goes. You already know, got the monster Hoonigan in the house, hurt, you know. Hurt over here at Notta Garage.
Yeah, you know, me in Houston, my brother T-Pain ain't here right now.
Oh shit. Yeah, the Brop Brop song.
That shit's fire though.
Yeah, it was pretty good. T-Pain's rhymes, let me have my glass back, can't see shit.
You can't see shit regardless. Nah,
Alright,
it's
so,
foggy as hell.
oh yeah. He's got clear coat and shit all over it.
CSS? Can't see shit?
I thought you were Counter-Strike Source. So we got all of our stuff masked. I'm gonna go right now and I'm gonna print out our rendering photo. So we put the sun strip on, we're gonna put the rest of this inside the passenger seat and tell him to give me my money. You pay me. Alright, so we're getting the sun strip. Damn, this carbon fiber done seen better days. Alright, so we're getting the car on the quick jacks. Gonna pick it up, install the sides because me and Mike's got back problems, so it's easier for us.
Back buddies.
We said we were gonna change the name of the shop to Broke Back Shop, and then realized that's probably a terrible idea. Yeah, Broke Back Garage. He's coming up, and he wants the world to know it's a Nismo. All right, so we're getting our numbers put on. I was gonna peel this stuff, but I figured it'd be a good teachable moment. So this car has two sides, like most of them do. So in order to keep, we use masking tape, you know, to kind of guide out our template. That way, you know, it's a known measurement. I know that the masking tape is 1.5 inches, so that way it's going to be the same from side to side. So, but 12. So the livery, this is the wet t-shirt contest of vinyl. where we wet applicate all of our the livery stuff. That way there's absolutely no boobles underneath this thing, but you gotta let it sit for a little minute so that it will adhere to the car.
Oh, Mr. Notta Garage, if you could tell us what we're doing today, sir.
We are peeling off our wet application film. So we like soak it down with sticker slip. We put a little bit of sticker slip so we can get our positioning right. And then we soak the top down with sticker slip, make sure there's no wrinkles or anything like that come through the top. And then we let it dry a little bit. And make sure the vinyl is adhering to the car. And then we go back in, and I already soaked this down with alcohol. And what that does is it soaks through the paper and it releases the adhesive of the transfer tape off of the actual vinyl. Just go back in and then squeeze out any little stuff. Super nice bubble free finish. We're using Oracle 651 vinyl for all of our die cut components, and then we don't wet applique this stuff because it is it's Avery sign vinyl. And there you go, Calsonic Nissan.
And for anybody wanting a Calsonic livery, what words do you have for them, good sir?
This whole livery, with a customizable option for the names, will be available on nottagarage.com shortly.
You're so tall.
You're so tall, boy. Also, we will be posting on the website some of these like heritage decals. We've remade these into, you know, our personal files. So if you're wanting some cool heritage like Nissan, I'm gonna do some old Mitsubishi, like Tommy Mackinnon rally stuff.
Get an old Toyota one, boss.
Old Toyota one. Old Toyota one. Well, we are closing in on the the finished product here. Got the spoiler. We're finna put the big 12 on the roof and the ones on the windshield smacked out in the middle at an angle. So we're gonna have to try to match the angle of that one. I think, yeah, they match angle. So that's gonna be fun. So let's get it. Here we go. You bet your sweet Peppy we did. So all that's left now is just peeling away some stuff. Mike's working on that one. Gonna work on these sides.
Just peel that.
While customer was here, decided to add some red eyelids to accent the front part. So I'm gonna knock this out. Mike's gonna start post heating the entire car. Alright guys, so we're all finished up. What you think?
Looks great. Looks great.
So we changed a few little things from the original to kind of accent the body.
Send us pictures on your next track day. We want to see it on the course.
Curb the Bridgestone and the Impul. But alright guys, so you just watched us transform that 370Z into a Group A Calsonic R32 tribute car with a little bit of our own Notta Garage custom livery touches. I want to thank you guys for tuning in and sticking with us for the entire video. If you want to see more stuff like this, don't forget to like and subscribe, and y'all have a great day.